Hey everybody, Robert Crow here with Remax Alliance in Northern Colorado. Thanks for watching this video. This video is all going to be about our tax valuations for 2023, our property valuations both in Larimer and Weld County. Like me, you probably received your little slip in the mail and you were shocked to see how the county is valuing your property and how your taxes are estimated to go up. So in this video, I'm hoping to save you a little bit of pain and aggravation, especially if you're thinking of contesting that value. It's been kind of hard to get the correct information. I feel like the county may have changed once or twice what they've put up on their website. So this I've got from my managing broker here at Remax. Feel free, of course, to check all this data with third parties, give me a call, that kind of thing. But from what we are hearing and what we are seeing, 90 to 95% of those valuations are accurate. In the past, I feel like the county has either been very generous or maybe lackadaisical with their assessed values of our properties, but not for 2023. Larimer and Weld want your tax dollars for sure. And of course, our properties have gone up dramatically in value, like most properties throughout the US. During 2021 and 2022, the COVID months, COVID years, we massively saw the market appreciate again and again, month after month after month, until they've slowed down here a little bit in the last 6 months or so. So again, know that 90 to 95% of valuations are accurate. Whatever algorithms, computer programs the county is using this time around, they've pretty much hit the nail on the head. So if you're seeing your valuation kind of come in similar to what maybe your neighbor sold for who has a similar sized house, then chances are that's what your house is now worth. Now, for these evaluations, if you are looking to contest the price the county sent you, know that in Larimer, they're going back 2 years. So they're going from June 2020 through to June 2022. If you go to Larimer's website, you can click on, larimer.org, first of all, property search, comparable sales. Don't click on the past year button. You've got to click on the sales since 2017. And then again, look for that period from June 2020 to June 2022. The kicker here is that the county is going to look at anything that sold in June 2020 and they're going to trend it forward between 1 and about 1.3% per month. So know that by the time you've done the math on that $450,000 house that sold in June 2020, it's going to be massively more expensive. Shouldn't say massively, considerably more expensive when they trend that forward using that percentage rate. Weld County, they're going back 18 months. So they're going back to January the 1st, 2021 through to June 2022. For Weld, go to weld.gov, property information, protest, real property valuation, and then there's a side button there as well, comparable property sales. And I would tell you the Weld County website is far superior to Larimer's. So given that 90 to 95% of valuations are accurate, how can you protest? What ammunition can you use? Well, first and foremost, when you're looking at the comparables, you got to make sure that the house is of a similar style to yours, ranch to ranch, two-story to two-story, bi-level to bi-level. You want to make sure it's of a similar size as well. You want to make sure it's of a similar year of construction. Now, from neighborhood to neighborhood, that's going to be pretty similar, right? But where you've got some extra ability to protest is condition of home. If the county is using a comparable sale and that house was remodeled 1 or 2 years ago and has the white kitchen, the quartz countertop, the slipper tub, the walk-in shower, and your home hasn't been updated since 1985, there's going to be a big difference there, and the county has no way of tracking that. All they're looking at is size, style, year of build. So do a little bit of research there, and that's certainly where I can help you out if need be. So you've got until the end of the first week of June to submit these protests. Again, remember, 90 to 95% of you, the nail's gonna have been hit on the head. And we're looking at probably, for most people, an increase in 25 to 42, 45% in property value. I've actually had a couple of clients reach out where their values went up 100%, but they were sort of on the fringes of Old Town Fort Collins that now aren't the fringes of Old Town Fort Collins and are now highly desirable neighborhoods. So as such, yep, they doubled. I'm Robert Crow, realtor here in Northern Colorado. Of course, you know that if you're watching it. Please feel free to reach out to me. I did get a little bit of an overwhelming number of requests these last couple of weeks, so I promise I'll try and get to your emails or texts or phone calls as they come in, but always here and happy to help. That's all from me. Sorry if you were watching this hoping to see some new houses I had for sale. That's not the point of this video, but those are coming, I promise. Have a great day.